Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode on TechnoBroSA. But before starting the video, I would apologize for some misinformation that I gave in the last video about WhatsApp not being able to use, because some of my viewers, no, not some, but someone, I can't pronounce his name because it's written in Russian or some other language which I can't read. But I'm so thankful to you for pointing out my mistake. So the mistake that I made. But now moving on to the video. But again, before starting the video, smash that like and subscribe button because it helps me and my channel to be suggested or recommended to other viewers who doesn't know about my channel or who doesn't know about this video. So please to go like and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today we are going to talk about a flagship killer budget smartphone. Yes, the Poco F2, which has been teased on their Twitter handle about India launch very soon. As you might know, Poco F1 was the budget smartphone king in MKBHD's award of 2018. And it was such a great phone that many people were eagerly buying the Poco F1. And after Poco F1, Poco couldn't live up to their expectation and they were just gone. But now they're coming out with Poco F2, the successor of Poco F1. And I hope they live up to the expectation that they have created with Poco F1 as the flagship killer budget smartphone. Because this Poco F2 is going to have AMOLED display with 120Hz, then Snapdragon 732G, which means it's a 5G phone. And talking about the camera, it is going to have 108 quad camera setup with 64 megapixel primary sensor, which means it's epic, awesome. And the price will be at 20,000 rupees for the Poco F2 and F2 Pro at 25,000 rupees, which means it should be a budget killer on the phones. Now, after the release, we have to test out whether it's actually a budget killer like F1 or is it just a normal phone like Poco M2 Pro. So, stay tuned for that video. I mentioned a series of iPhones which should be upgraded to iOS 14, but my mistake was that 5, 5C, 5S and 6 can't be upgraded to iOS 14 because 5S has been capped to iOS 11, 5C and 5 has been capped to iOS 10 as iPhone 7 comes with iOS 10 preloaded. So that was my mistake. So I want to apologize for that. And I hope I have given a lot of information on this video. So if you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section about your suggestions and how the Poco F2 will live up to their expectations. And also don't forget to share this video who are eagerly waiting to buy a new smartphone, because Poco F2 might turn out to be a budget smartphone with the flagship killer capabilities like his predecessors was. So signing off for now, bye.